Hello, my name is William. I'm a senior at the University of Denver and a peer leader in the LEP. Today, I'm going to run through a brief explanation of Canvas. Canvas is the learning management system used by DU. Canvas houses all of the course materials for each of your classes. So to log in, you're going to need to type in your username and password. So I'm going to type in my username. Please note that it is important to have Duo Mobile, an app you can download for free in the App Store, as it may ask you to do multi-factor authentication to log into your account. This time it didn't, but sometimes it does. So yeah, here's my Canvas page. Um, Once you're on the Canvas platform, like right now, you will see each of your classes set up as modules. So the classes that I am taking this quarter is Hospitality Experience Management, Environmental Sustainability and Hospitality, Writing with and about Gen AI and Topics in History. And please note that your classes may not populate onto Canvas until after you have registered and your instructor has published the course. So until that is completed, these boxes may not appear. So for practice, we'll click on some classes, starting with Hospitality Experience Management. And then on the left-hand side, you'll see some categories: home, assignments, discussions, grades, people, which is where more information can be found. And you can take some time to click around in these categories. It's important to note that the instructors do not all organize their course materials the same, so each class may look a little bit different regarding like the information within these categories. Your academic counselor in the LEP can help you navigate this once you arrive on campus. You can also email your instructor directly from Canvas if needed, and that can be done through um, here in the inbox. So the inbox is right here. You can send emails out, and yeah, let me go back to where we previously were on the dashboard. You can also create a favorites tab on your laptop so you can easily access Canvas since you'll frequently will be using this app. And then Canvas also includes its own built-in calendar system, and that is located right over here above the inbox, called calendar. And then if you click on the calendar, which we will, you'll notice this is where your assignments will populate. So for example, yesterday, there was a discussion post. When you've completed the assignment, there will be a strike through right as shown here. And yeah, this is where all of your assignments will be. On the right-hand side, where you notice these boxes, I would make sure those are checked because if they are not checked, they're not going to show up here. So I've only checked the classes that I'm taking this quarter. Sometimes you'll notice there's other classes here like career and professional development. That's not a course I'm currently in, so I did not check it. So just make sure you check all of the courses you're taking this quarter and it will pop up. So let's see. Yeah, you kind of could see how it disappears if you don't have it checked. So make sure that that is checked. Um, and then your Canvas calendar can be merged with your DU Outlook calendar, and your academic counselor can help you with this as well. Um, and then depending on your instructor, some assignments may not show up here in the Canvas calendar, so it's important to continually check your syllabus throughout the quarter. And now I'm just going to go back to my main Canvas homepage. And so you could just take some time to play around on this platform. The more you familiarize yourself with it, the easier and more understandable and intuitive it will become. So if you have any questions, please let us know, and thank you for watching.